Hello, year six. I hope all of you are doing so well. And in today's lesson, we're going to discuss something that is very easy and all of you took before many times. So today's lesson is even, odd, and prime numbers. All right, what are even numbers? I'm sure that most of you remember this. We're just revisiting it as we agreed before that we're going to revisit many concepts that you took in years 2, 3, 4, and 5 in year 6. Even numbers are numbers that end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So any number in the world that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 is called an even number. We have here some examples like 296. Yeah, it ends with a 6. It is an even number. 492 ends with a 2. It is an even number. 350 ends with a 0. It is an even number. And 538 ends with an 8. So it is an even number. All right, moving on to the next one, which is odd numbers. Odd numbers are numbers that end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. The rest of the digits. So any number in the world that ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 is an odd number. So I don't want you to care about all what the number starts with. It's just about, only about, it's only about, let's go back. Um, the last digit of the number. So here, 295. Someone might say, oh, Mr. 2 is an even number. Well, but to agree, it ends in what? 5. 5 is an odd number. So I don't care about the first digit. I don't care about the second digit either. All what I care about is the last digit to determine whether this is an odd or an even number. Here, 5 ends with 5, it's an odd number. Ends with 3, it's an odd number. Ends with 1, it's an odd number. Ends with 9, it is an odd number. Even if I write a number like this, look at this. If I say 2,468,000, 407. Oh, look at this. The 2 is even. 4, 6, 8, all of them are even. 4 is even. 0 is even. 7, the last digit that we have here is odd, so the whole number is an odd number. This is all what we care about, the last digit. All right, so this is all about the even and odd numbers. Of course, guys, you need to study this. If you already forgot it, you need always to study it to just remember it whenever you need it. Here, the last thing that we have here, which is a prime number. What is a prime number? You took this in year 5 and in year 4 as well. In case you forgot it, a prime number is a number that has only one and itself as factors. Oh, Mr. Factors, I completely forgot this word. What is the meaning of factors? The factors of 18, for example, are, it means what are the numbers that if you multiply by each other, if you multiply, this is not cross, it's multiplication, okay? So what are the numbers that if you multiply by each other will give you 18? This is the meaning of factors. The numbers that if you multiply by each other gives you or give you 18. Here we have 1, okay, multiplied by 18. 1 and 18 are factors of 18. So 1 is a factor of 18. 18, of course, is another factor of 18. What else? Is there anything else? Look at this. I said prime. A prime number is a number that has only one and itself as factors. So here, 1 and 18, are these two the only two factors of 18? If yes, so it is a prime number, but unfortunately, there are other numbers that you can multiply to give you 18. And this one here just depends on you, how well you know your times tables. So if you know your times tables very well, then you know that 2 multiplied by 9, so 2, comma, 9. So here we have other two factors. So we have 1 and 18, we have 2 and 9, we also have 3 and 6. I don't need to list them all to know if 18 is prime or composite. This is the opposite of prime. Once you know that, all right, 18, oh, 18 is an even number, mister. It's 2 and something, 2 multiplied by something. Oh, so it's not prime. If it's not only 1 and that number, like here, 1 and 18 only, no, we have other factors, then it is a composite number. It is not a prime number. Okay, so this is what's written here in red. 18 is not a prime number, it is composite. All right, let's have a look at another example that might make it simpler to those who do not remember this lesson very well. The factors of 6 are, it means what are all the numbers that if you multiply by each other are going to give you 6. The factors of 6 are, oh, mister, the first thing, of course, 1 and 6. And we also have 2 and 3. Okay, because it's not only 1 and 6, so 6 is not a prime number. It is a composite number. All right, mister, we need some examples of prime numbers. Okay, let's change this here. The factors of, let's say, for example, 3. What are the factors of 3? There is nothing else. There is nothing else that can make 3. Multiply them by each other. It's only 1 times 3. A very smart boy or girl might just say to me, oh, mister, what about 1.5 multiplied by 2? All right, now we're not talking about decimals or fractions. We're talking only about whole numbers. Whole numbers that you multiply by each other give you 3. No, mister, it's only 1 and 3. Then 3 is a prime number. Okay, I hope that now we get it. What about 2? What are the factors of 2? Oh, mister, the factors of 2 are only 1 and 2. There is nothing else that if you multiply by each other are going to give you 2. It's only 1 and 2. All right, so then 2 is a prime number. What else is there? All right, you're going to find that 2, 3, we agree 2 and 3 are prime numbers. You're going to find that also 5 is a prime number because it's only 5 multiplied by 1. You're going to find that 7 is also a prime number. Only 1 times 7. You're never going to find any other two numbers that you multiply by each other to give you 7. Is 9 a prime number? Oh, 9. What are the factors of 9? Let's see. Factors of 9 are, well, the factors of 9, 1 and 9. Is that it? No. 3 multiplied by 3 give us 9. So 3 and 3, but we write them only once. So that's it. It's 1, 9, and 3. Oh, the factors of 9 only 1 and 9? No, mister. So 9 is composite, which means it's not. Okay, so let's continue the list here. You're going to find that 11 is only 1 and 11. You're going to find that 13 is only 1 and 13. And you're going to find 17 is only 1 and 17. 19 is only 1 and 19. You're never going to find any other two numbers that you multiply to give you a 19. Will never happen. All right, we're going to stop here because the list doesn't end here, okay? But we're going to stop here for now.